So boys, after doing the activity, we will move toward exercise 5B. We are going to do question number 9. In this, they are saying convert the following as required. We have to convert 580 mg. Mg means milligrams into grams. And milligram is the smallest unit and gram is the smaller. Here I have written boys, 1 kilogram has 1000 grams and 1 gram has 1000 milligrams. So now what we are going to do, as we are asked to make this smaller unit into the bigger one, what we have to do? We have to divide. So in the solution I will write SOL, and here we have already written that 1 gram has 1000 milligrams. So I am not going to write it in every step. Here I will only write that 580 milligrams will be equal to 580 divided by 1000. Okay, and now this milligram will turn into the gram. Here you can see boys, this one will turn into the point and 580, okay, 0.580 grams. Okay, now I can write over here 0.580. It's up to you, you can skip this 0, you can only write 0.58. Okay, moving toward part B. In part B they are saying there are 15,000 grams. We have to convert it into milligrams. Gram is the bigger unit, milligram is the smaller. So what we are going to do, we are moving from bigger to smaller. So we are going to do multiplication. Very good boys. What I will write? I will write 1500 grams equals to 1500 multiplied by 1000, and now it will be milligram. Okay, here you can see, and we have learned in our mathematics skills that when we multiply any digit with 10, 100, 1000, the zeros will get added on the right hand side. So 3 zeros of thousands and 2 zeros of the sum, then 15 ones are 15. In the international place value we have to skip space after 3 digits and it will be mg. So in the blank we will write 1,500,000. 1,500,000 milligrams. Okay boys? Moving toward the next sum, that is 2135 milligram equals to dash gram. This is the same as part 1 boys. So I am leaving this sum on you. Okay? Please do it. After doing part C boys, we will move toward part D, and part D is 85 grams equals to dash milligrams. Here boys we have to move from bigger to smaller, so we are supposed to multiply it with 1000. Okay, so in the solution I will write boys 85 grams, and now 85 will get multiplied with 1000. Okay, and the gram is now converted into milligrams because we are multiplying. So 85 thousands are 85 thousands. Okay boys, 85 thousands milligram. This is our answer. In the blank we will write 85,000, 85,000. Okay. After doing this boys, we have another sum, that is 291 grams into milligram. It is the same as the above one. So I am leaving this sum on you. So boys, after doing question number 9, we will move toward word problem. And our first word problem on page number 120 is Dania weight 67 kilograms 18 grams. Aisha weight 62 kilogram 15 grams. Here you can see whose weight is more. It is 67, it is 62. So it is definitely Dania's weight. What is the difference in their weight? As you know, there is the word difference, and in the word problem, difference means we have to subtract. Okay, so let's start doing our solution. First we will write weight of Dania. In our first statement, that will be equals to 67 kg 18 grams. In our second statement, we will write weight of Aisha, that is 62 kilograms and 18 grams. Then we will write their difference. You can see boys, here we have written weight of Dania. Now in the next statement we will write weight of Aisha. Weight of Aisha. As these are the nouns, so I am writing the first word capital. That is 62 kg and 15 g. Now we will write their difference in weight would be, it will be equals to, we will write kg in grams as we have done the addition and subtraction of question. The first statement is 67 and here it is 18. In the next statement it is 15, 5 under 8, 1 under 1, 2 under 7, 6 under 6, and we have to subtract them. So we have to subtract 5 from 8, that is 3, 1 minus 1 is 0, 7 minus 2 is 5, 6 minus 6 is 0. We will not write this 0 over here. In the word problem, we have to write our answer always in statement. So we will write their difference in weight is 5 kg and 3 grams. That is our answer, boys. Okay. After doing first word problem, boys, we will move toward our second word problem, and it is, you can see over here, an airline allows 20 kilogram baggage to its passenger. When we take flights, they tell us we can take only this much thing of free, and if we have to take more, then we have to pay the tax. Okay. Hassan baggage is 27,000 grams. This is in kilogram, this is in gram. There is a difference. We have to convert this kilogram in grams to make it of same unit. How much extra baggage does he have? We have to tell how much extra he have. So first we have to change this kilogram into gram. We will write airline allows, in our solution wise, we first have written Hassan's baggage. It is 27,000 grams. Why we have written? Because we are going to change this kilogram in gram. So first we should write the unit that is exact. Now we will write airlines allow. A-I-R here. L-I-N-E line allows only 20 kg. So now what we have to do? We have to convert this 20 kg into grams, and you know, when we have to convert bigger unit into smaller, we have to multiply it with 1000. Now this kilogram will become gram, and it is 20,000 gram. It is gram? It is gram. Now what we have to tell? We have to tell how much extra baggage does he have. Okay? We will write he have extra baggage. We can Calculate it by the baggage he has, that is 27,000 gram, and we will subtract the baggage airline allows, that is 20,000 gram. So boys, when we subtract 20,000 from 27,000, it will be 7,000 gram. So he has 7,000 gram is 20,000 minus 27,000 is 7,000. We will write he has 7,000 gram of extra baggage. Your classwork for today is boys activity question number 9 full and word problem 1 and 2 of page number 119 and 120 on copy. Your homework boys is do question number 8 full of page number 119 on copy. If you have any problem boys related to today's lecture, you can ask me.